Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new recipe and episode. Today I'm going to make a super delicious and zingy sort of spring red lentil salad. It should come together pretty quickly in less than 30 minutes, so I really hope you enjoy this one. So the first step for this salad is to cook 2 to 3 cups of red lentils. They will be a little mushier, so you can choose other lentils if you prefer. Now we're going to add some mandarins to a blender, a little bit of water and veggie broth and spices to make the dressing for this salad. It is definitely citrus inspired and citrus pairs really well here, so that's why I chose to use it. I added a little bit of white miso paste to add a little bit of natural salt. You can choose salt and black pepper. Then I added some pepitas, olives, raisins, a little bit of green onion, all to a medium/large mixing bowl. And then once the red lentils were more or less cooled, but not totally, I put them in and mixed it all together with a spoon. The mixture will be a little goopy. That's okay. I kind of like this texture, so modify as you'd like. Add a little bit of the dressing, season to taste, and enjoy it. I like to add a little bit of parsley. You can use fresh parsley. I use dried because I had that in the cabinets. I paired it with some fresh lettuce greens, some nice crunchy vegetables. I added more of the dressing and I enjoyed. This will keep in the fridge for about a week, and it's lovely in between a sandwich or just as is. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more, and see you next Friday. Have a good one.